Oh, healthy. A girl. May pa-welcome. Welcome back, Danica.
Welcome to the new and beautiful
Anzani. Salbahe ka. Asan sila? Ah, naka-private. Okay. Ganda. Parang akong bida din sana. May ikaw bida dito sa video. Pedro Farms pa. Si Teya, oh.
I can hear.
Hello!
Oh my God!
Meron akong surprise sa inyo.
Tama-tama kasi ang daming binigay ni Kyle
Oh, diba?
Compli.
Ay, wow. Oh, hello. Ayan, surprise ako sa inyo. Kaya ako nagpaiwan.
Kaya pala.
Oh, diba? Sulit naman, diba?
Danica, Natasha.
Diba? Oh my God, naglalabasan na.
Kuya, isang wine.
I thought you already had practice with Daniel.
No.
Uy, hindi nagtatagalog, Dani, kayong inom mo. Dali, dumudugo. Dumudugo.
I don't want to talk anymore.
Spinach ravioli.
Yeah. Ano yan, kuya?
Ma'am, Moroccan bread and tomato bread, ma'am.
Wow, complimentary.
Yeah, complimentary, ma'am.
Grabe.
Anzani
ang
bread.
Anzani bread. Ang
Yes,
dami naman complimentary.
Anzani, gusto.
Thank you.
Anxiety bread.
Ma'am,
Anxiety bread.
ano sa'yo, ma'am?
No, sige.
Moroccan or...
Ano bang mas masarap?
Pareho, ma'am, yung masarap.
Sige ito.
Sourdough parma, ma'am, flat bread, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Masarap to, ma'am. Sinisigurado ko sa inyo.
Wow. Sige nga.
Serve ko na po.
Tapos yan,
Ravioli.
Truffle.
truffle. So dapat
Ano yung
panatikman natin
vegetarian
ito
bread
lahat.
dito sa...
Thank you.
Wow. Kuya, kami ba yung naging ano? Kami ba yung naging basehan para matanggap ka sa trabaho? Oh my God.
Siya po yung boss ko. I-push dito po.
It's an honor. So, ikaw palang may sala nito, kuya.
Sarap yung ala.
May spotlight talaga.
Po.
Nga, try na natin to.
Oo, best friend niya yun. Best.
Black olive, Moroccan, tsaka mga tomato.
Black olive.
What's your favorite so far?
My favorite so far is the... The ano, what you call that mushroom ball? Hindi ako kasi nag-order nun eh. Yung manalo yun.
Mushroom ball?
Ano yan?
Isa pa.
Croquettes!
I love that. And the risotto.
Risotto, okay. How about you?
Board and the compli breads and the marbled potatoes.
Oh, that's your favorite so far. How about you, Peps? Your favorite?
I used to love the ambience, the serenity of the place. Like, you can have a serious conversation, quiet conversation.
Quiet conversation.
Ayos na, tapos nung dumating ako. Tapos nung dumating ako, ayaw na na.
Ayaw na niya. What's your favorite food so far?
I don't know what it's called. The dip tastes like hummus. It's
The eggplant.
yeah, the eggplant something.
Hindi ko inabot yung eggplant.
Binigay ko siya.
Ay, yung maliit na
Maliit
lang.
lang.
Oh,
It was really good.
So that's your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay. How about you, Sid? Your favorite?
I like the cocktail. I forgot what it's called. But I like the cocktail. And I like the
Portofino.
Yeah.
and the pizza. The
The
truffle pizza.
flatbread.
Truffle
Flatbread.
pizza.
Flatbreads.
Flatbread. Okay. How about you?
I'm with the truffle bread as well.
Oh, truffle bread. Mamaya ka na. Ikaw. Do you have Meron ka na bang favorite? Natikman mo na ba lahat? So far? Hindi pa.
Truffle pizza. Hindi.
Hindi pa? Okay, mamaya na. Baka
Pero I
mamaya.
love the risotto.
Okay. You wanna ask me?
How about you? What's your favorite?
My favorite? Yung totoo, risotto. My favorite is
Yung totoo, risotto.
Yeah, I love the risotto. What else? Yun talaga eh. Stood out for me. I like everything, but my favorite is risotto. So we're talking about the favorite, right?
Favorite, right? Yes.
Bathroom sabi ko. It's nice also.
Tapos pupunin pa yun. Pupunin pa to, no? Taas.
Yung banyo ako yun.
Oh, wow.
Always have spotlight. Sige, sabihin mo ano.
The dishes.
Ay, nakapikit pa talaga. Ano pinakamasarap?
Ay lang.
Sige. Okay, yeah, may lighting naman ang yan.
Okay yun.
Okay, yan. Sige. Wow. Ay, talaga naman. Oh, sige, sabihin mo kung ano yung pinakamasarap ha.
Masarap lahat eh. Ito.
Sige nga.
For fun.
Mango. Kasi mahilig ako sa mango. Daw, masarap din to. Inuubos eh.
Ano ba yan? Ano yan? Strawberry?
Strawberry.
Kala mo naman, ang dami tao.